Left renal angiogram showing pseudoaneurysm from the posterior division. Superselection in the posterior trunk shows clear feeder supplying the pseudoaneurysm and fistula. Superselection into the same branch shows the pseudoaneurysm and the fistula is during glue. Post glue, can see the feeder is the slow flow in the feeder. 5 minutes after that, again recheck to check if there is any feeding branch to the pseudoaneurysm. Could not see any branch. Successful embolization of the left renal pseudoaneurysm and AV fistula. Thank you.